IDs plays a very important role both for job seekers also and for business owners also. Job seekers, they will be searching for HR email IDs. You want to send your resume and you're searching Google to get the email ID of that particular company HR, and you're not able to get that. Now business owners will be searching for leads or prospects email IDs. Now if you are a job seeker or if you are a business owner, this video is going to be very important for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can find out email ID of a LinkedIn account holder. Will you agree with me? All the HRs of the company will definitely have a LinkedIn account. Will you also agree with me that most of the business owners will definitely have a LinkedIn account? Now from this LinkedIn account only, how to find out their email IDs, I'm going to show you in this video. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Watch this video till the end. I will be using some Google Chrome extensions by which we can find out the email IDs of any LinkedIn account. I will be showing you few Google extensions which will do this job, and for showing you I will share my screen with you. So now you are able to see my screen, my laptop screen. Now I will show you three or few Google Chrome extensions by which you will be able to get the email IDs of anybody, any LinkedIn account holder. I'm on the Google page and here I will type down Chrome Web Store, because Chrome Web Store is the place from where you will be able to install the extensions in your browser. So I'm in the Chrome Web Store and I will show you what is the freemium tool. In this search extension box, I will type snow.io. This is very nice extension, and from this extension also we will be able to find the email IDs. Now click this blue color button, add to Chrome, and this extension will be added in your Chrome browser. Click this add extension white button also. Within few seconds it will be added in your Chrome browser. Now after installing or after adding to your Chrome browser, you will come to this screen. Now click this sign in with Google option, log in with your email ID, and then it will take you to these screens. Now this is how the screen looks like. Now please understand, snow.io is also a premium extension, but few searches, for example 50 searches it will give us for free. I mean to say, you can search 50 people email IDs for free in this extension. Once you cross this limit, then automatically it will ask you to make payment. Once you come to this screen, you click on this option, add a new list or new prospect list. It is already added here. Click on add a new list and you can type here maybe LinkedIn emails, anything you can write. This is only for your reference. So I have clicked on LinkedIn email. You can see here, this is one list that I have created. Now I will open my LinkedIn account. This extension is already added to your Chrome. Now I will test this this extension whether it is working or not. So this is my LinkedIn account and I will try to search email ID of any person, any random person. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will check the email ID of my team members only, my Pasham Technologies company's team members. So let me check this user's email ID. She's my team member. Now very preliminary investigation, we click on this contact info and we check if her or his email ID is visible here or not. So here you can see no email ID is visible. I'll click on this option from my Chrome browser and then I will click on email finder. This is the icon for snow.io. I will click on this option and I will wait for some time. And this extension will show me that yes, Rachna Tiwari, Pasham Technologies. I will click on find emails and save. Find emails and save. These extensions gives you credit points. Each credit will be used to search email ID of one person. So 50 credits are given to us as a free user. After 50 searches, after 50 people email ID you have extracted, then they will ask you to make the payment. So job seekers, you can definitely use these 50 credits for searching email IDs of very important HRs. Okay, we can see here email not found. We'll keep searching in the background. Okay, we have to give this extension some time. Sometime, I mean to say maybe half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, and that email ID will be listed or added in the list that you have created. So I have created LinkedIn email. I'll click on this option. I'll click on LinkedIn email. Right now there is nothing here. So we have to wait for 20 or 30 minutes, and after that we will start seeing some email ID. So can you see here tiwari@pashamtechnologies.com. This is the email ID of this person that we have searched in LinkedIn. Now one more thing, in this dashboard or in this screen you can see a red color dot. Red color dot, that means this email ID is not verified. Even this software is also not sure if this email ID is genuine or not. Now we have to check if this email ID is genuine or if it is valid or not. We have to check manually. How can you check manually? Maybe you can email that, you can copy this email ID and you can send a test email to this person, to this email ID, and check if you are getting any error message or error reply or not. If you are not receiving any email error reply, so there is a possibility that this email is a genuine email. So in this way you will be able to get email IDs from your LinkedIn accounts or from a LinkedIn account holder. Now I'm going to show you the second extension. Second extension name is Scrap, SKRAPP, scrap.io. So this is the extension. Click on this, click this add to Chrome, add extension, and within few seconds that extension will be added to your Chrome browser. Now open your LinkedIn account, search for the name of the person. For example, I'm using this person's name and I'm trying to search for this person. Okay, I have found this person's account, Pasham Madhukar Reddy. I click on this account and I'm able to see this account holder's profile. When I click on contact info, I'm not getting the email ID here, and I want the email ID of this person. How can I do that? Again, I'll come back to this icon, click on this, and this time click on this scrap extension icon. When I click on extension, you can see the person's email ID is displayed on the screen. Copy this email ID, and now you can use this email ID for selling resumes or sending proposal or quotation. So in this way, scrap.io is also a freemium extension that you can use to extract the email IDs of any LinkedIn account holder. There are two more freemium extensions that will again give you 50 credits each one. I mean to say 50 times 50 people's email ID you will be able to find out. Those two extensions website links or their web store, Chrome web stores link, I have given in the description of this screen. So you can click those links, go to those pages and register with your Google account or your existing LinkedIn account, and you have to follow the same process. Search for the employee, search for the person, click this icon and use that extensions icon to find out the email IDs. So this is how we will be searching for email IDs. So now you have gotten a very good idea how to extract or how to get the email IDs of any LinkedIn account holder. Now if you like the content of this video, please click the like button. You can also share your comments in the comment section of this video. You can also share this video with your friends and your colleagues. I create very informational videos in my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you want to get regular updates from me, my professional life, my personal life, then you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a subscribe button there, red color button. Click that button and don't forget to click the bell icon. My name is Sushmita and thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu, and Namaste.